How to create a PayPal account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to create a new PayPal account, you can do it via the any browser of your choice. First of all, tap in and search PayPal sign up. This will take you to this page. Now choose if it's a personal account or a business account. Go to get started option. Choose your country or region. Next up, you'll have to provide an email address. Once you do so, tap on Next and provide a valid phone number. This should now give a verification code to your number. Once that is confirmed, you have to create a password. Make sure it must be 8 characters or more and use two of the following, which is letters, numbers, and special characters. Next up, you have to provide your personal info such as first name, middle name, last name, and a valid date of birth. Once that is done, tap on Next. On this page, you're supposed to provide your mailing address or billing address. So for this, you can either manually write in your address line and then click on Agreement and Privacy Policy. Once you have given it, you can tap on Agree and Create Account. It should now take you to another page whereby you will have to now click on Not Now to skip it for now, and then you will have to provide and link your card. In order to link your card, you'll have to provide your debit and credit card number, your card type, expiration date, and security code, along with the billing address you provided before. Now you can tap on link card option and your PayPal account is ready to use. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.